Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be preparing Afang soup. Afang soup is a native delicacy of people from Akwa Ibom and Cross River states, and these are the ingredients that we'll be using to prepare the dish. So here I'm trying to steam my meat. I'm using fresh pepper. I'll add salt and some seasoning cubes. That's me adding salt. And then here I'm adding some seasoning cubes to give taste to the meat. Okay, so our pot of meat is on the fire and we are going to allow it to steam. Okay, our meat has steamed for like 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll be adding our stockfish, popularly known as eporoko. Okay, so we'll allow that steam up for some time. Here you can see our meat and stockfish is boiling and looking good. So we'll go on to slice our water leaf. Yeah, you can see that our water leaf is looking so fresh and green. Okay, so enjoy the process of cutting the water leaf. I think it's actually beautiful to watch. Okay, next we are going to start preparing the soup proper. So we'll fry our oil, that's red oil, and then I'm adding a little salt. Then I'm adding my yellow pepper and stirring. Next I'm going to be adding my water leaf. That's quite some water leaf. It's a bit much, but the afang is actually much, so it's okay. So we stir and stir and cover the pot, allow for some time to steam. After that we are adding our stockfish and dry fish, and we'll stir as well, and then we'll leave it for some time. Okay, after some time you can see, I think after about like 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, everything has simmered. So we'll now add our meat stock. Yeah, that's our meat stock, and then we'll transfer the meat that we seasoned earlier with the stockfish into the pot of vegetables. Okay, we're going to be adding all of our meat and stockfish into the pot of soup. As our soup is already looking so delicious already. Okay, so I'm stirring. You stir, 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 so that all the ingredients will properly mix together. Yeah. So after that, we are going to cover the pot up and allow that to cook for some time. Okay, then we'll add our mfi. Akwa Ibom people call it mfi, but I think the English name is periwinkle. Yeah, we add periwinkle, and then we are adding our crayfish and seasoning, and then we stir everything up so that the entire ingredients will mix properly. So we stir, we'll do a lot of stirring and stirring. We do a lot of stirring. I called the kanda, or what do they call it? Bomo. Okay, Yoruba people actually call it bomo. Akwa Ibom people, they call it ipa. Yeah. Okay, so yes, our food is almost getting ready. Our soup is almost getting ready. So this is me adding afang leaf proper. This is the odogu. This is what makes the soup what it is. So Afang soup is always really, really, really delicious. As you can see, it's already looking very, very thick. So I'm going to have to add a little bit of water to lighten it up a bit. Yes, yes, I've added some water. I still, I think I added a little bit, a little, okay, yeah, I've added some water as well, and then this is me adding the red oil. After adding the red oil, as you can see, it looks a little bit lighter, not as thick as it was before. Yeah, and then we're going to be stirring everything up so that the ingredients can mix properly. And there you go. Your afang soup is ready. It is ready. So my Akwa sisters and brothers, I want you to rate this soup in the comment section and let me know. Bye.